All right, so 13 is another work problem, all right? Another work problem, 13. So we have Ben can paint the room in 14 hours. So Ben's time, right, is equal to A, which is equal to 14. So Ben can paint a room in 14 hours, right? And Ben and Jake, they work together to paint the room in 9 hours. So now we don't know Jake's time. So Jake's time is equal to B, which is unknown. But we do know the time they take together. So together, we have X, right? So the X is given to us as 9 hours. They can work together and take 9 hours. So we go back to our formula, and this just says that X over A, right, this is a little paradox. So this says that X over A plus X over B is equal to 1, which is saying here that X over 14 plus X over B, which we don't know, is equal to 1. We know some more information out here, so we know that X is 9, so I'm going to put that now. So that says that 9 over 14 plus 9 over B is equal to 1, which means now I can basically subtract 9 over 14 from both sides. All right, so I'm subtracting 9 over 14 from both sides of the equation. And you should know from your days of fraction that if you take away 9 14ths from one whole, if you take away 9 14ths from one whole, this is one here, you're going to basically have 5 14ths. So that's going to tell us that 9 over B is equal to 5 14ths. And again, this is from middle school fraction. So 1 minus 9 over 14 is going to be 5 over 14. So we have that 9 over B is equal to 5 over 14. And we have this thing where you can take do some cross product, cross multiplying. All right, so take a cross product. Again, you can look this up online to understand more about this. So cross multiply, or people might say cross product. Not the same cross product as you have in calculus, but cross multiplying. So I'm going to get B times 5 is 5B, and 9 times 14. And so if I do that, I'm going to get 5B is equal to 9 times 14. 9 times 99, 4 is 36. It's going to be 126. So I'm going to divide by 5. And that's going to give me that B is going to be equal to 126 divided by 5 is the same as 252 over 10. So that should be 25.2. Is that true? 25.2? Yes, 25.2. So the other person is going to take 25.2 hours. Jake takes 25.2 hours to work on this. All right, so that's the answer. Okay. All right, so for those of you who might not be happy with what I just did with cross multiplying, let's just use the algebra way. I mean, the way that we have been doing it in this college algebra course. What you can do, again, look at the two denominators. All right, so the LCD here would be just 14B. And so you're going to multiply by the LCD. So 14b times 9 over b, right, is equal to 14b times 5 over 14. All right, and so b cancels b, and what you're left with is 14 times 9. 14 cancels 14 is equal to 5b. And what we just saw a while ago is that was 126 is equal to 5b. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. And that's going to give you that b is equal to 25.2. So you can rewind the video and use any whichever of these two methods work best for you, all right? They are both good. That was number